Have you guys heard about the Amazon Xbox No Console Required bundle? Like, bro, what? What do you mean? Wait, what? Tom, I'll put a pause to the calls. Like, what? No, just playing with you. What's going on, you guys? It's CJ Brad here today. And today we're going to be talking about this Amazon Xbox No Console Required bundle package. Now, this bundle package is honestly going to be an amazing new thing for gamers, especially for people that, I'm gonna say people that don't want to lug around, consoles with them all day, or either somebody that may be on a budget but that wants to get, an Xbox. So as you guys know, Xbox, they do have their own cloud service streaming platform now with an Xbox. I don't know why I said it like that, but it's called Xbox Cloud Gaming. And this is how we're able to go ahead and use our Amazon Alexa Fire Stick, to actually, play Xbox games. I like to tell people, hey, you can become an Xbox gamer now for like less than 25 bucks, but in reality, you still need to buy a controller. Like, for real. No, but check it out, man. Look, this deal right here is honestly amazing. You guys can go ahead over to Amazon's website right now and pick yourself up this No Console Required bundle. The bundle does come with 3 key features. Obviously, like I said, there's going to be a brand new Amazon Alexa Fire Stick in there. It's a 2023 version and up. You're also going to get the Xbox controller. Now, the Xbox controller comes in different colors as well. I think the prices does vary because, it's a product, I guess. I don't know how they do the math on they controllers, but it is what it is. And then the last thing that you are going to get in that bundle is going to be the Ultimate Game Pass online thing. That's how you're going to be able to game online. So that's pretty amazing, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, I actually like it. I'm not gonna lie to you, just because, like I said, I'm somebody that likes to travel a lot, and I really do like to bring my game with me, especially for my annual WrestleMania trips I normally take. I be wanting to bring my game with me, but I'm just like, dang, bro, like, I'm bringing 3 wrestling belts, hopefully 4. I'm gonna make it 4 next year, hopefully. But we're gonna be bringing 3 or 4 wrestling belts with us. We got clothes, we got the camera equipment, we got the laptop. It's too much, and it's just like, what can I do to make this, an easier carry on an easier day for me? So Amazon came up with a solution. No console is required. All you need is a brand new Amazon Fire Stick. Sign into your Xbox, app on the Fire Stick. Get yourself a controller. And the good thing about it is this, because I just want to tell you guys too, like I said, obviously it's Xbox. They do have a couple controllers that are actually compatible as well. I do know you can use both the PlayStation 4 and also the PlayStation 5 controllers as well. I believe there's a couple other little controllers too. I'll make sure I leave the description down below for everybody to go check those out. But let me know what you guys think about this whole entire ordeal of being able to be an Xbox gamer just for less than almost $20 strictly from the Amazon Fire Stick. Let me know what you guys think. But that's all we got for you guys today in regards to this Amazon Xbox deal. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.